How to become attractive personality. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something incredibly important, how to become an attractive personality. Whether you're looking to make new friends, excel in your career, or just feel better about yourself, having an attractive personality can make a huge difference. Define attractive personality. An attractive personality goes beyond just good looks. It's about how you carry yourself. People with attractive personalities are often confident, kind, humorous, and excellent communicators. Let's break down these traits and how you can develop them. 1. Confidence. First up, confidence is key. Confidence is not about being arrogant or domineering. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities. Stand tall, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to speak up. 2. Kindness. Being kind and empathetic can make you more approachable and likable. Practice random acts of kindness, hold the door for someone, offer a compliment, or lend a helping hand. Kindness creates a positive ripple effect and can make you more memorable to others. 3. Humor. A good sense of humor can break the ice and make interactions more enjoyable. Don't be afraid to laugh at yourself and find humor in everyday situations. Being able to make others laugh can create a strong bond and make you more relatable. 4. Good communication. Practice active listening, make eye contact, nod, and respond thoughtfully. Avoid interrupting and try to understand the other person's point of view. Engaging in meaningful conversations and asking open-ended questions can make your interactions richer and more fulfilling. 5. Positive attitude. A positive attitude can be contagious. Focus on the good in situations and people, and try to maintain a hopeful outlook. Even in challenging times, looking for the silver lining can help you stay resilient and attract others with your optimism. 6. Listening skills. Being a good listener makes people feel valued and respected. Pay attention, nod, and respond thoughtfully to what others are saying. Show that you care about their thoughts and feelings. This builds trust and strengthens relationships. Practical tips. To cultivate these traits, start with small daily habits. For example, practice gratitude every morning, work on your posture, and make it a point to smile more often. Pay attention to your body language, stand straight, use open gestures, and maintain eye contact. And don't forget to take care of yourself, eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep. Remember, developing an attractive personality takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. Start implementing these tips today and notice the positive changes in your interactions and self-esteem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.